Hi, it's Eric Dahl, owner of Dahl Integration Marketing, author of the Funnel Vision Method, marketing trainer, and speaker. In today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about why you should be advertising on Facebook. That's the question I often get from clients. Eric, should I be advertising on Facebook? And when they ask me this, I can tell they're overwhelmed because social media today is all-encompassing. There's just so many options to choose from. Sadly, you can't do it all. There's not enough money or time to master every social media platform available. Social media is one of the biggest tools that business owners have to promote their brands. It's a particularly direct, targeted, and personal means to connect with an audience. It lets you do this in a way that is persuasive, prevalent, and purposeful, and allows you to create a real synergy between your marketing and your website or blog. For instance, when Joel Rimmer, general manager at an appliance store, first came to us, his business had already experienced a lot of success advertising in traditional mediums such as television, radio, and the local newspaper. However, he started to see a gradual drop-off in effectiveness of their traditional marketing and advertising methods. His business was 80 years old at the time, so they had seen it all. Joel knew it was time to take some of the advertising budget online, but didn't know exactly what was involved. He felt frustrated and overwhelmed with all the different online advertising and marketing options. Like you, he was overwhelmed with all the hundreds of supposed marketing experts and various advertising platforms touting their services as the best thing since sliced bread. He hired my team and I to build him an online promotion which achieved a 122% return on his Facebook ad campaign in only 7 days after launch. That's why I believe advertising on Facebook can work for you too. And fast. I documented our process and put together a free report that you can download below that lays out the entire Facebook ad campaign strategy we deployed. So, when it comes to social media marketing, nothing beats advertising on Facebook. Let me share with you why you need to start advertising on Facebook today. Facebook is not only the biggest social media network by far, it's also the best suited to marketing with the widest selection of highly powerful tools and the most data for you to use to find the right audience. Whereas other social media sites provide occasional distractions, Facebook has become one of the main reasons we go online. Period. Its users outnumber the population of any country on Earth. Members are more engaged than any other site on the internet. Specifically, there are over 1.71 billion active Facebook users today, which is a 15% increase year over year. This means that Facebook is still growing, despite naysayers. Every single day, these users generate over 4.5 billion likes. And every day, 1.13 billion people log onto the site. On mobile alone, there are 1.57 billion active users. 5 new profiles are created every single second, and 300 million photos are uploaded daily. The average time a user spends on Facebook per visit is 20 minutes. For Americans, it is twice that. All these statistics paints the picture that Facebook has become a huge part of all of our lives. It's a cultural phenomenon. At a party, you're just as likely to ask for a stranger to look you up on Facebook as you are their cell number. Facebook is used to plan weddings, to organize parties, to share holiday photos, and to catch up with old friends. Even employers use Facebook to conduct background checks on future employees. What does this mean for you as a business owner? It means if you want to find a channel that allows you to connect with a gigantic and huge audience, then Facebook is the best place to do that. In short, if someone has internet access, then there's an extremely high chance you'll find them on Facebook. If they don't, well, in this digital era, they're not a particularly qualified lead to begin with. But what's really great about advertising on Facebook is that it gives you the tools to reach your audience directly. Better yet, it gives you the tools to reach a specific subsection of that audience, thereby giving you the power to connect with exactly the right kind of person desiring your product or service. Facebook, arguably better than any other platform, allows you to convert your audience leads to customers, to brand evangelists, while keeping them highly engaged with your brand along the way. Facebook ads are one of the most effective ways to do this, allowing you to hone in on precisely the type of person that'll want to buy your products or services. What's more, Facebook allows you to do so in a manner that lets you tightly control your spending, ensuring your advertising falls within budget and that you can scale it as you grow your business. Then there are all the countless advanced features like cost per action, and the amazing external tools that allow you to get even more from your advertising campaign, growing your business more effectively and quickly than ever before. However, like any tool, Facebook ads is only as effective as the person using it. The campaign you design is what will ultimately impact your success or failure. And this is where this free case study comes in. Here, you'll learn our proven Facebook ads formula, that's working for our clients in various industries as I record this. Most importantly, you'll see how to apply our formula with your own campaign, your own page, and your own brand. You'll learn the what, but also the how and the why. Ultimately, when you properly implement our formula, you'll learn how to generate fans, followers, and turn them into excited customers. Go download the free case study now while it's available, because you'll learn insider information on how our clients are cashing in on the power of Facebook's advertising platform, big time. More importantly, how you can too. Click below to download your free case study now.